So the 22nd thing that you might want to know, oh, well, you do want to know, is the area of any shape. This undoubtedly will come up on your test. This is one of those things that's on every test. So let's see, there's different shapes, and let's see how we would do them for each one. And unfortunately, you need to know these formulas. So the first thing we have here, this shape, is a square. Hopefully you can tell that. I mean, it's 5 right here, so that means this is 5 because square has equal sides. And for any quadrilateral, so any four-sided shape that you might see that for our purposes does not include a trapezoid. So any non-trapezoid thing that has 4 sides, you do base times height. Base times height, that's 5 times 5, that's 25 is the area for this. Well, here 5 times 10 is 50. Well, we could do 10 times 5 too, whatever. What about this thing? Well, you might think 50 again, but the height is not 5. The height is this. So how do we find that? Well, we see 3 here. So this is 4. If we know 3, 4, 5 triangle, we could find that using the Pythagorean theorem. But that would also mean that this is 4. So 4 times 10 is 40. All right, now what about right here? It's not the same for a trapezoid. This time you have to add the bases, multiply them by the height, but you have to divide that by 2. So there's 2 bases that are 7 and 10, so that's 17 times the height, which is 4, divided by 2. So let me see what that is here. 17 times 4, 68 divided by 2 is 34. That would be the area for this guy. Now, down here we have a circle. You need to remember that the area of a circle is pi r squared. Now, that is not, 10 is the diameter, so 5 is the radius. So pi times r squared, well, how about we'll just say 25 pi, because I just don't feel like typing that in the calculator. Because 5 squared times pi. All right, now this thing's a little bit different, and I forgot to say, how about I make it, I'll just do this right now. So what if you wanted to know the area of just the green part? So basically, not the thing that says 2.5 times 2. Well, you have to find the area of the full thing and then the area of the part of the thing. That's a common thing that you have to do. They have like dumb word problems like someone put up a fence and stuff like that. So the first thing you want to do with a complex shape like this is just to divide it up. So we see this shape here. We see this shape here. So this would be 2 times 3, which is 6. This would be 5 times 4, which is 20. So the full thing is 26. But we have to subtract that from this. 2.5 times 2 is 5. So the area of the green thing is 21. Those are all the different area things you have to do. So you're either using base times height, you're using this, or you're just doing something like this, but that's still based on base times height. Oh, also, and don't forget about the trapezoid. If you see something that looks like Napoleon's hat, you got to use that one. Hey, just remembered, yeah, there's another thing that you might have to do to find the area for something, which is a triangle. So I don't know how I forgot that, but that's important. That's like one of the most common ones. So this is just base times height divided by 2. Well, if you have a right triangle, then this is the base. Oh, trying to make that straight. This could be the base, so let's say that's 3. This is the height, that's 4. Then the area would be 12. Now for a acute triangle, the height is going to be the thing in the middle. So hopefully they would tell you whatever it is. So then the area would be, oh, I'm sorry, divide by 2. So it would be 6 right here, not 12. That's just what they want you to think. So right here, that's 5 times 5 is 25. 25 divided by 2, 12.5 here. This time, for this one, the obtuse triangle, this is the height right here. And let's just say it's 5 and 5. I mean, whatever, it would still be 12.5. But the point is, that's what you do for triangles. So sorry that I forgot about that.